Hello, it's your friend Joseph. Today we'll be talking about finger multiplication. In our previous videos, we demonstrated how to do simple multiplication of 9 times table using our fingers. Today we will complete the video and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the fingers to do multiplication of 6 times table up to 10 times table. Here is the diagram of our fingers. We numbered from the thumb 6 to 10 on both sides, that is on the left and on the right. So let's pick it from 6 times table. So looking at the diagram, we see that the thumb with the label 6 and the thumb with the label 6 are aligned to each other, and below the two thumbs aligning to each other there is no finger below. So I have only 2 tenths, and 2 tenths means 20. So I'm going to put down 20 for that value. So 2 tenths is 20, and then I have above the 2 fingers, above the 2 thumbs, 4 fingers by the right and 4 fingers by the left. So I'm going to multiply the 4 by 4. So that will give me 4 times 4, which is 16. So if I add 20 to 16, I'll be having a total of 36. So 6 times 6 is equal to 36. I move to 6 times 7. I will align finger level 7 with the thumb, and on and below the thumb I have 3 fingers, and 3 fingers means 3 tenths, and 3 tenths is 30. Then above the 2 fingers I have 3 by the right and 4 by the left, which means 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. If I add 30 to 12, I will have 42. 6 times so 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Then I go to 6 times 8. You will see I have 4 fingers on and below the 2 fingers touching each other, and that will give me 4 tenths. 4 tenths is 40. So above it, I have 2 fingers by the right and 4 fingers by the left, which is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. If I add 40 to 8, I will have 48. So 6 times 8 is equal to 48. I move on to 9. Then on and below the 2 fingers touching each other, I have 5 fingers, which is 5 tenths, and 5 tenths is 50. So above the 2 fingers touching each other, I have 1 finger by the right and then 4 fingers by the left, which will give me 1 times 4, which is 4. If I add 50 to 4, I will be having 54. So 6 times 9 is 54. Then I go to the last one. On and below the 2 fingers touching each other is a total of 6 fingers. So those 6 fingers represent 6 tenths, and 6 tenths is 60. And then above it, I have 0 finger by the right and 4 fingers by the left, which means 0 times 4. 0 times 4 is 0. So if I add 60 to 0, I'll be having 60. So 6 times 10 is equal to 60. Let me move on to 8. 8 times table. I start with 8 times 6, and here I have on and below the 2 fingers I have 4 fingers, which is 4 tenths. So 4 tenths means 40. And then above it I have 4 fingers by the right and 2 fingers by the left, and that will give me 4 times 2, which is 8. So if I add 40 to 8, I'll be having 48. So 8 times 6 is 48. Let me move to 8 times 9. So 8 times 9, I have on and below the two fingers touching each other. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers below. So that 7 fingers is 7 tenths, which is 70. And then above it, I have 1 finger by the right and 2 fingers by the left, which is 1 times 2, which is equals to 2. If I add 70 to 2, I'll be having 72. Then let me go to the last one, which is 8 times 10. So if I have 8 times 10, 8 times 10, I have on and below the two fingers touching each other. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers all standing. And those 8 fingers that are standing means 8 tenths, which is 80. And then above it, I have 0 finger by the right and then 2 fingers by the left. So that means 0 times 2. So 0 times 2 is equal to 0. If I add 80 to 0, I will be having 80. So 8 times 10 is equal to 80. That is it for finger multiplication. You do subscribe to our YouTube channel at increasers_academy for more of our videos. Please click the please click the subscription button and subscribe for our video. Do also like and share our video and always click the notification button for notification when we have more videos.